In this video, I want to show you how to clear a paper jam if you have the Brother Work Smart MFC-J1260W printer. So the first thing you need to do once you get a paper jam is to disconnect the printer from the power source, because you don't want to stick your finger inside while it's connected to power. All right, once you have done this, turn it around. And you're going to notice over here, there's a small space where you can stick your finger, push down on this panel, and it should come down this way. It will give you access to the internals and the rollers of this printer. So there's a good chance you're going to notice some paper being stuck there. If you see anything abnormal, take it out with your finger or a pair of tweezers if it's a bit farther down. Now, if nothing was wrong, let me show you another place where you can check for a paper jam. So for this, we need to remove the paper input. And now simply put the printer upside down. You can also pull the paper output. And you're going to notice right over here, there is two different latches that you need to pinch. And you'll be able to lower the panel. This will give you access again to the internals, and there's a good chance that your stuck paper will be somewhere over there or under over here. You see, you can lift this to see better. So again, with your fingers or tweezers, simply remove it. Don't forget to put back this tray, the paper input, everything just slides in. Okay. Once you have found the paper jam and you have removed the paper, you can go ahead and connect back the printer. Usually it turns on by itself once you have connected it. If it doesn't turn on, simply press the power button and the error should clear by itself once it powers on and you notice that, hey, there's no more paper jam. Like, comment if this was helpful, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.